Hey, I noticed you've been looking a bit down lately. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I guess I've just been going through a tough time.
Do you want to talk about it? I'm here to listen and support you.
Well, Dad, I broke up with my girlfriend. It's been really hard on me.
I'm sorry to hear that, son. Breakups can be really tough. Do you want to tell me what happened?
We were just having too many disagreements, and it felt like we were growing apart. I thought it was the best thing to do, but it still hurts a lot.
I understand. It sounds like you made a difficult decision for the sake of both of you. Breakups are never easy, especially when you've invested time and emotions into a relationship.
Yeah, exactly. I miss her a lot, though, and it's been hard to deal with the loneliness.
It's natural to feel that way after a breakup. It's okay to grieve the relationship and take time to heal. Remember, it's okay to lean on your friends and family for support during this time.
I've been trying to keep myself busy with other things, but my mind keeps going back to her.
It's completely normal for your thoughts to drift back to her, especially if she was a significant part of your life. Healing takes time, and it's okay to have those moments of reminiscing.
I just thought we had something special, you know? And now it's all over.
I can understand how you feel. Sometimes, even when things are special, circumstances change, and people grow in different directions. It's important to remember that relationships teach us valuable lessons, and they contribute to our personal growth.
I know you've been through breakups before. How did you handle them?
Breakups are never easy, and I've had my fair share of them. What helped me was focusing on self-care and surrounding myself with positive people. I also found solace in hobbies and activities I enjoyed.
Thanks, Dad. It's just hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel right now.
I completely understand. But I promise you, with time, things will get better. You'll start to find joy in the little things again, and you'll eventually meet someone who appreciates you for who you are.
I appreciate your support, Dad. It means a lot to me.
I'm always here for you, no matter what. If you ever want to talk, vent, or just spend time together, I'm just a call away.
Thanks, Dad. I'm really lucky to have you.
The feeling is mutual, son. We'll get through this together, and you'll emerge from it stronger and wiser.